Okay guys, it's Ruben Johnson today, and today I'm back with another video guys. And guys, in today's video we are gonna be customizing AS100. This is AS100's Jincheng. So we're gonna customize this bike to become a racer guys. It's gonna be pretty good guys. So guys, I meet a customer online and he bring this bike for me guys. So this is the guy right there. If you wanna do something like this, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel guys, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be getting amazing videos like this guys. So it's a scrap bike right now, but by the end of this video I believe you're gonna see this bike gonna be pretty good guys. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So without further ado, let's kick into the video guys. Hello guys, this is Ruben Johnson from Ruben Custom guys. If you are new in my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX CUB, street CUB, trice, cripple bike, dead bike, go-kart, quad, and many kinds of bikes guys. So if you are interested in stuff like this, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop a video. Subscription is absolutely free. Guys, pieces of the bike, like I said, we got some oil coming out from the shocks. Now I'm gonna customize this shock to become an independent suspension that can run off roads. The guy says he's a farmer, and that's gonna be cool guys. And the frame, I'm gonna design it right. I'm gonna redesign this frame to become on my own test. Guys, today I got this hero tank. As you can see, this tank is pretty good, and it's gonna suit the design I'm doing. So I'm gonna use that hero tank. That's the old Jincheng tank, so that one I'm not gonna use it anymore, but I'm gonna use the hero. And this one looks pretty good. I do it the body work, and it's gonna look pretty good guys. Okay guys, I just got a patch right there, and this rod is here already. This original rod, the crossbar rod, which gonna make this thing strong, but this guy just make it one, okay, from the Chinese. So for me, I'm gonna make it right here also, so the bike gonna be pretty strong, and I'm also gonna make it right here, understand? So the frame gonna be pretty strong for off-roading guys. Okay guys, so today I'm building up this guard. This is the headlight gap. You will notice that all my bike has this guard on them, so I like to put this guard guys. Guys, take a look at this bike guys. Today we are at this level, So I just finished off the painting yesterday. So today, guys, I'm gonna be doing the wiring stuff. I'm gonna couple off the bike, guys. Take a look at this, guys. Installing the battery and the switch. We're gonna be putting some features. This one is the cardinal. This cardinal gonna go with some. Look at the cardinal, guys. This thing also come with the charging point, and this is a USB ports. Let's take a look at this. This will look pretty good, guys. So let's do this, guys.
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm not.
Okay, guys, today I got this thing done. As you can see, the bike is clean, and this bike has many features, guys. Look at this traffic lights, back and front, as you can see, and this the guard from the headlights. Guys, take a look at this bus. This ignition switch lights. When you turn off, the bus will light blue. That's to show the bike is on. Yes, boss, we are ready to go. Okay, guys, look at the traffic. This is the LED traffic, guys. Let me take to the back. Come on, guys, take a look at this, guys. This is just the back traffic, guys. And we also have the brake and light right there. As you can see, let me just show you. This the brake and light, guys. Take a look. Yeah, that's the brake and light with also the transcriptor, and that's also the brake and light, guys. It works like that. We got our Luben custom sticker and logo right here. And guys, this is not only the features, guys. This thing has a cardinal, and this is the cardinal direction. The cardinal direction for the guys say you want to use this bike from off-roading to use it in the bush. So you gonna see the cardinal direction right there. This thing will direct you when you are lost. That's the red. You see the north, south, east, and the red is west. So you're gonna do some research there. You're gonna this thing gonna direct you when you are lost right there. And this bike, that's not only the features, guys. This thing has a USB port, guys. Take a look at this, guys. You can charge your phone right there. Wait, let me look for a phone so that I come and show you guys. Okay, guys, and this thing also has a USB port to charge your phone, as you can see. Like that. So see, it's charging normal 600% right there, guys. So you got your bike like that, and that's how you charge your phone with this bike, and everything goes like that, guys. Take a look at this. So guys, this is the end of this video, but please guys, just go like that. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so they're going to be notified anytime I drop my next video. See you in my next video, guys. Peace.